Assalamu alaikum, I am Ali.
And I am Misha. Let's learn and subscribe to be smart.
Hello my friends, come join the play. Let's learn Arabic words today. Clap your hands and tap your toes. Here we go, now everybody knows. Say it soft, say it strong. Come and sing our Arabic song. Learn a word, shout hooray. We get smarter every day. Bait means house, a place to stay, where we sleep at night and play. Bed means door, open it wide. Come on in, step right inside. Shabbat means window, look outside. See the sun and birds that glide. Kursi means chair, now take a seat. Learning words is such a treat. Say it soft, say it strong. Come and sing our Arabic song. Learn a word, shout hooray. We get smarter every day. Kalam means pencil, write with me. Draw a star or draw a tree. Kitab means book, turn the page. Every word is sun as every age. Shuma means water, sip, sip, sip. Take a little drink with every trip. Tafaha means apple, juicy and round. Yummy, crunchy, red we found. Point to the bait, open the bab. Look through the shabak, that was fab. Sit on the kursi, hold your kalam. Read your kitab, say yes I can. Shams means sun, shining bright. Wakes us up with golden light. Kama means moon, glowing high. Twinkling softly in the sky. Asfor means bird, fly, fly, fly. Wings up high into the sky. Samaka means fish, swim down low. Splish and splash, and off they go. Say it soft, say it strong. Come and sing our Arabic song. Learn a word, shout hooray. We get smarter every day. Yard means hand, wave hello. Move it fast and move it slow. I mean eye, blink, blink twice. Learning Arabic feels so nice. We learn new words, we sang with cheer. Arabic sounds so bright and clear. Come back soon, we'll laugh and play. And learn more words another day. Say it soft, say it strong. Come and sing your Arabic song. Clap your hands and shout hooray. Let's learn Arabic every day.